HCFA robotic 𝐇𝐂𝐠𝐡 solution adopts HCFA Q1P PLC V307 𝐸HMI X5 and Y7S servo drives. Collaborative work, precise control. High-strength suction cup stably grabs the carton. PLC controls the interpolated motion trajectory of the 𝐄𝐟𝐼R robot to save control costs. The complete solution offers higher precision and stronger anti-interference capability compared to pulse servo systems, and better environmental practicality. The Y7S servo system enhances the positioning accuracy and motion speed of the robot. Operation is faster and smoother. The HMI enables remote monitoring, troubleshooting, and issue correction. It helps reduce after-sales costs for manufacturers.